Hello, Facebook friends. It's Carla, your online doctor, with today's Live in 5. Today is Monday, July 29th at 5:03 p.m. Okay, so let's talk today and tomorrow about our eyes. Okay, did a little bit once before about screening tests and things that you should be considering, but listen to this. When polled about the importance of our five senses, most people feared losing vision over hearing, smell, taste, and touch. So it is really the most important one of your senses in terms of really affecting your lifestyle should you lose your vision. And I think I would agree with people polled. That would be my biggest fear, I think. But now, more than ever in our history, we daily put our vision at risk without even a concern. Hey, Kim. Okay, so how is that happening? With our computers, our cell phones, and all of our other digital devices. Every single day, we are exposing ourselves to blue light. Blue light is a culprit and has been shown to disrupt our circadian rhythms and to result in eye problems ranging from everyday eye strain to glaucoma to macular degeneration, leading to complete vision loss. Okay, so let's talk science for a minute. Indulge me, please. Humans see a thin spectrum of light ranging from red to violet. Okay, remember Roy G. Biv when you were in school? Okay, if you don't, just Google it. Okay, basically red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Okay, short wavelengths appear blue, while longer ones appear red. White light, whether from digital screens or sunlight, actually include all colors of the spectrum. Okay, so if you think about when you used to hold a magnifying glass and you'd see, or a prism or a rainbow, that's the same white light that we're used to seeing. It's just breaking up those wavelengths so you can actually see all the colors. Science can actually be very cool. Okay, a recent study published in Scientific Reports showed researchers at the University of Toledo have shown that close or prolonged exposure to short-wave blue light can trigger irreversible damage to your eye cells. Scary. In the lab, cells from the eye, specifically the retina, were exposed to blue light directly mimicking what happens when we stare at our phone or computer screens. Okay, we're all guilty, right? So don't even say, well, that's not me. We all do it, okay? Our kids do it more than us, so it's even more important for them. The light waves trigger a chemical reaction in the cells of the retina in the eye, causing oxidation. We've talked about oxidation before, which creates a toxic chemical species which kills the photoreceptor cell in the retina. Okay, these cells do not grow back. They are gone forever. Catastrophic damage to your vision is hardly a full guarantee, again, but the experiment shows that blue light can kill receptor cells, which can lead to macular degeneration, okay, which is an incurable disease that can blur the vision and actually lead to elimination of your vision altogether. Complete loss of vision. So blue light occurs naturally in sunlight, all right? So even if you don't use a computer ever or a phone ever, obviously you wouldn't be watching me if that was the case, okay? But we're taught as children not to look directly into the sun. Remember that? Never stare at the sun. Always look at it sideways or through your fingers or through a little hole, with the eclipse, they used to tell you to make a little hole in a big piece of paper. Okay, but what are we doing every single day? Staring at our phones and staring at our computers. The average American spends 11 hours a day in front of some type of screen, according to a 2016 Nielsen poll. That is a frightening number, okay? We're talking 11 hours. That's almost half a day in front of some type of technical digital device. When we stare at our screens, especially in the dark, we channel the light into a very small area in our eye, almost like using a magnifying glass right into our retinas. Okay, we're focusing that sunlight, that blue light, directly onto the back of your retina, okay, or the back of your eye, which is your retina. You can actually burn paper by focusing sunlight into a very small area, correct? If you look at the color wheel back from school, okay, and all the colors on the wheel, the opposite of blue light is orange. Okay, so the military actually uses red-orange light in cockpits and control rooms. They are low impact colors and are great for nighttime shifts. All right, iPhones offer night shift settings, which cause the same orange technology. You don't have to just set them from 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. or whatever your nighttime settings are. Use it all day long. Okay, number one. Desktop screen protectors, even blue light glasses, they also do the same type of thing. But we're going to talk tomorrow about other things you can do to protect your eyes from the damage of blue light. These are outside protections. I'm going to teach you tomorrow about how to protect yourself from the inside. Okay, blue light is not your friend. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for tomorrow because you'll want to hear what I have to say, because it's going to be a possible game changer. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. I'll be back tomorrow for another Live in 5.